Hello everyone and welcome to my Scribus tutorial series. In this video I will show you how to add glyph characters and ligature characters in a document on Scribus. First click the Insert menu bar. Click Glyph. And click Show or Hide Enhanced Palette. There you have it. Now you can choose any character you want to put in your document. First click any space between the characters to put your glyph character. Now choose any glyph character you want to use. I choose the Greek capital letter delta. Double click the delta and click Insert. Now you can see the newly added character from the glyph. You can add more than one glyph in your document. Now let's do the ligatures. Ligatures are two characters joined together to form a single glyph. For example, these two characters are not joined together, therefore this is not a ligature. On the other hand, these two characters are joined together, therefore this is a ligature, and same for the below. We can add this to our document also. And that's pretty much of it on how to add the glyph characters and the ligature characters in a document on Scribus. If you want to watch another video related or relevant to this video you're watching right now, I have a playlist for you to watch. Just click right here. It has a list of sequenced video tutorials for you to watch. I recommended to you to watch this video tutorials in a sequence, starting from top to bottom video. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Take care.